Hello, this is the unboxing of the Petlibro cat fountain. Did you see it comes with a protection on top? Foam. And let me get it out of here. With this protection. A free gift of $10 in Amazon. You get a grooming brush, automatic pet water fountain user guide, the thank you for purchasing from us, stickers, and this is the fountain. As you see, it comes with tape here to secure the trays. I didn't get it very good. That glue, I can remove it later with some alcohol. Okay, this is the top tray where the water comes out. My cat is gonna leak from here. Here you can see it's a filter. This is a filter. It says warning, soak the filter for 15 minutes in a clean bowl, I guess it says, with water in case of spillage. Peel off this label before use. You gotta soak this in water before using it. See? You can see here, it's like this. This is the top part of the fountain. And you can see here the motor, and it's secured with tape as well. You gotta remove it. Okay, I removed it, and it doesn't move very much. It secures anyway without tape. It comes with more tapes here that you have to remove. Uh-oh, comes out. Okay, here you gotta be careful when you do this. When you untape this, you see the arrow with the arrow meet? You have to be careful because the parts are not attached securely. It's just attached with this tape. I'm learning as I go. I've never used this fountain before. So, okay. I guess that's all. You can see, yes, they're here aligned, the arrows. So in the box you can find here the charger, the plug. This is, I think it's a USB plug. I'm not 100% sure. I think it is. Yes, you can see here. can see how long this is. It's pretty long. And you just plug it. I'm gonna cut the video because I want to read how to start to set up then, and I'm gonna put it together with this video. Okay? Okay, the first step to set up this fountain is soaking this filter in a bowl with water, clean water and clean bowl. You gotta remove this, of course, and then just soaking this in water. It starts getting heavier. The next step to set up the fountain is to plug the base of it, and if you want to connect to activate the night light, you have to do it here. There's a switch there. That's the default, and if you want the night light on, you gotta slide it like that. Then you just plug it. This is the opening here. And then you just play the base here. Unplug the unit. Now I'm gonna put water in the vase, and I'm gonna show you that step. The step number 3 is filling this bucket with water, never over the max line, and needs to be filtered water. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I already cleaned all the parts of this fountain. You need to wash everything before use, of course. You can see from the inside if you are over, you know, loading the bucket. The line is marked in the inside too. Okay, now we have to put this piece. Then the filter, which has been soaked in water for 15 minutes. In the beginning I soaked it with this piece, but then I realized you had to detach it. So you have to put it together. Here, this is what I was doing, like this. I was putting it in water with this, but this you have to detach it and then put it in water. You put it here on top of this thing, and that's the last part that I already cleaned. There you go. Now you just put it with the base that is plugged, and let's see how it works. Now it's time to put the water, the container, on top of the base. And there you go. Automatically start the water coming out. It's kind of wobbly here a little bit, but it doesn't matter. It works. And you can see here the line, the light, the green light. The green light means it's working, it's operating. And this is how it looks. It's really easy to set up. Let's see what my cat does now. She's never used a water fountain like this before. So let's see her reaction, if she likes it.